Hello there, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to my channel, Travels by Auntie Jennie. Today we are here in Orlando, Florida at Disney Springs, fixing to bowl at Splitsville. The whole family was here in Orlando, Florida for a Disney and Universal trip, and we needed a little bit of a break from the theme parks. So we decided to do something a little bit different for tonight. And we came up with Splitsville here at Disney Springs because it has both an activity for the whole family to do, and based on the menu here, you can actually grab a decent meal. Say it loud.
Travels by Auntie Jennie. Travels by Auntie Jennie, Orlando, Florida. There's Splitsville. We're going upstairs to our lanes, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
We gave them all of our names and shoe size, and they took it up in a bin for all of us.
Cool. Like I said before, Splitsville is located in Disney Springs, Orlando, Florida, which is a very popular area. Now, Splitsville is not only a bowling alley, it's also a restaurant, a bar with billiards or AKA pool tables. And if you're wanting to bowl, I recommend that you reserve your lanes in advance.
We're at, what is it called?
Splitsville.
We're at Splitsville? We're at Splitsville.
Okay, and are you playing for money?
No.
Oh, okay.
Now, the first thing you want to do when you get to your bowling lanes is order your food. It takes a while for your food to get there. Another reason why I say this is because depending on how big your party, they only allot you 1 hour to 1 hour and 45 minutes. And if you're more than a party of 9, you have to get multiple lanes. So it's best if you order your food right when you get there.
There you go.
Dang.
There you go. There you go.
Let's go, Mark. Tonight. Hi, Cal. The food finally arrives, and we're all starving.
Yeah, I think it's better than nachos.
Jennie! So here's the pepperoni pizza. The buffalo chicken egg rolls. And loaded nachos.
Yeah. How is it, Labella? Good?
I'm about to try it. I've never had this before.
Try it. Good? Thank you.
That's the super tuna?
The what?
The super tuna?
Jennie, you want to try it? Yeah, super tuna?
What kind of rolls are these?
What? This one's Hawaiian roll. No, fantasy roll.
Fantasy roll?
What roll?
We got a crouching dragon, tempura shrimp, asparagus, and avocado. Topped with spicy crab mix and drizzled with eel sauce. We also have an aloha roll.
So it's probably the one in the middle.
Yeah. It's kanikama crab, cucumber, and avocado wrapped in nori and sushi rice.
Nice.
That's that one. And we got a fantasy roll, which is a sushi dream come true, fresh salmon.
Thanks, Tom. Say hi. Is he still waiting? Oh my God. Come on, Marky Boy. Hi. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Plus bowling pins fell down. Oh, what's that? A strike? Ah, I think I messed up. I know I messed up.
Oh my gosh, almost.
You went to the right.
Almost. Splitsville is a friendly bowling venue loaded with lots of family fun. Now it is Disney Springs, and Splitsville is considered as a luxury bowling alley. So
job,
if you're just
Nathan.
wanting to bowl, then I would recommend looking elsewhere. Otherwise, if you want to bowl and have sushi and cocktail, then this is the place for you. Now I heard it's a little bit cheaper if you reserve your lane online. However, we did the walk-in price because we didn't know what to expect when we got here at Splitsville.
Good job, Danny girl.
It was actually $24 per person. And again, they only allot you 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Oh, good job. Oh my goodness.
I know it's a little bit pricey when it comes to Splitsville, but like I said, it is a luxury bowling alley, and luxury comes with a price. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was helpful enough for you to get an inside look on what to expect when bowling at Splitsville, located at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida. And if you really enjoyed this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. And as always, thank you for watching. This is Travel with Auntie Jennie. Have a great day. Show off your shirts. Disney Springs. You can see Donald Duck's face. All right. Did you guys have fun?
So much fun.
Who won?
Marky. I think it was Marky, then Kier, then her. And I won the most because I gave birth to them.
Did you have fun? And did you win?
Yep.
You did. Good job.